We had a question about how could I find the attribution for a specific webinar? It's very easy to do in CaliberMind. First, I'm going to run over and I'm going to look at my attribution reports. Here, I'm seeing attribution across all of my channels, campaign types, and campaigns. What I really want to do is find out exactly what the attribution is for specific webinars. So here, I'm going to switch to looking at things by campaign type. And now I can see that we actually have a campaign type where the attribution for specific webinars is actually being displayed. And I could even go in and look at where that attribution is coming from, which companies, which individuals, which touch points. But now what if I wanted to really drill in a little bit more on specifically this webinar? Well, very easy. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to take that campaign type filter. I'm going to add it. And then I'm going to go select that webinar type down here. And now I'm filtering all the attribution specifically down to a webinar. As you can see, I'm now seeing that across time. But what's really powerful now is I can start to drill in and say, like, well, what industries attended webinars and drove attribution? Or maybe what job levels, what types of people, what individuals are actually getting involved with these webinars at what level inside of the system. I could look at the specific companies, disposition of those opportunities currently, what channels actually drove toward the webinars, or even look at the specific campaigns. Oops. By webinar. You see which ones drove the most, and I could even drill in and look at that specific campaign and get information about that. So it's very easy when you have a specific type of attribution you want to look for to come into CaliberMind, find it, and then drill in and start to see a lot of information about that.